Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on or off the lock sound in this device. So in this device, let me lock the device. Yeah, now you can hear the sound, right? So let me show you how to turn off the sound. Again I will show you. Yeah. So let's get into the video. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on the option sounds and haptics. Then here you can see the option lock sound. Scroll down. Here you can see the option lock sound. Now it is enabled. If you want to disable this one, turn off this option. Now again I am going to lock the device. Now you can see there is no sound. If you want to enable again, turn on this option. Again let me show you. You can see. Right? So simply in this way you can enable or disable the locks sound in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.